Sorry, there's just no way around it. If you want to get in shape, you have to eat well and get a lot of regular exercise. A pill isn't going to do it all for you. Of course, you want to optimize the results you get from your exercise routine, and these exercise tips will help you do just that. Before you start an exercise program, make sure that you talk to your doctor. This is particularly important if you're really overweight and haven't spent much time working out, or if you have some underlying health problems. Ask your doctor what you need to do to modify an exercise routine so you can work around those issues. Here are some exercise tips that you should keep in mind, and you will get more out of your workouts. 1. If possible, work out with a friend. It is much easier to stick with a workout routine if you and your friend are doing it together. There is a certain amount of peer pressure. Neither of you wants to be the undisciplined one, and neither of you wants to let the other one down. 2. If you are new to working out, try to find a trainer to work with at least until you get a good routine worked out. After you've gotten the basics mastered, you can either continue to work out with the trainer. This can be another great motivator, or, if your budget is tight, you can give up the personal trainer and do it yourself. 3. Do not go nuts on the cardio aspect of your workout. Many people make this mistake. They think that spending a lot of time on the treadmill or the elliptical is good, and it is, but the problem is that your body gets used to that level of exertion, and eventually your results will actually go down. 4. This one goes along with number 3, do several types of cardio exercises. Don't allow your body to get too used to a certain routine. You should change your workout routine at least every 6 weeks or so. This will really maximize your results. Another benefit of changing things up regularly is that you will lessen repetitive motion injuries that occur, you guessed it, when you do the same movements over and over again. 5. When you do weight training, and everyone should, yes, even women, don't make the mistake of going too fast when you do a repetition. Many people go so fast that they are actually allowing momentum to do most of the work for them. This greatly decreases the effectiveness of the exercise. You want a very slow and controlled movement. Not only will you get the most out of the exercise, you will also lessen the chances of injuring yourself. 6. You may not hear this one too often, but if you are in a time crunch and you can't really do a full workout, some cardio and weight training, and you have to pick one or the other, choose the weight portion of your workout. Weight training will also have a cardiovascular benefit, and the boost in metabolism you get by weight training will last you long after your workout is over. I hope you have found these exercise tips to be helpful. To really be successful in your workout routine, it's important that you find something that you really enjoy doing and then just stick with it.